Hey there, welcome to this official Windows 8 channel, and we will talk today about this new laptop, which is a Toshiba. This is one of the first laptops that comes with Windows 8, and it's been available since October 26. This is the Toshiba S855-01K. And it's basically not a touch tablet, it's a basic clamshell type laptop. As Windows 8 General Regular Edition, not Professional. And so it's a very nice blue aluminum finish, very beautiful. Features on the, if you look, this is the front. So if we look at the left side of the laptop, you will see that there is USB port, and this is a DVD rewritable drive with Blu-ray reading capability, so it has Blu-ray disc capability. Power is here. The back side has nothing except the little hinges. And on the right side of the laptop, we've got two USB 3.0 ports, which is pretty nice. You've got your microphone and headphone jacks. You've got an HDMI port, which is pretty cool, Ethernet jack, and a VGA out for a computer screen. So this is a Core i5 2.5 gigahertz processor. The screen itself is a Dell LED light emitting diode screen, and as you can see, loading Windows 8 is quite fast, pretty cool. And you just simply type in your password here. Of course, it's better to have a Hotmail account to use, and here we are already in Windows 8. Very fast, very zippy, very beautiful finish, keyboard and pad. But like I said, it's not a touch screen, so you cannot touch the tiles like this. It's not like that it works. One suggestion I would make, if you ever buy a Windows 8 laptop, I would suggest that it's probably worth it to buy one of those new laptops that have touch screen, because it will make your it's going to make it easier to work on Windows 8 with a touch screen. But apart from that, I actually find that working Windows 8 with the trackpad on the laptop and the mouse pad is actually quite intuitive and quite nice. And you can see here that, for example, if I use two fingers at the trackpad here and swipe left to right, it will actually make my Windows 8 dash start menu actually swipe from left to right, which became quite natural almost immediately. Of course, you've got all the basic features that we will talk about. Lots and lots of videos going to be on this channel about Windows 8, how it works, and all the App Store and the apps and everything, and how to use it actually. So this is going to be a great big channel. If you want to learn how to use your Windows 8, this is going to be the place. So like I said, this is a Core i5 2.5 gigahertz laptop. One of the features is the fact that it can actually overclock your processor if an application or a program uses only one core. The other cores actually shut down, and the single core can go up to 3 gigahertz, which is pretty cool. It's a very fast computer. It has dedicated memory for the video card, so it has a Radeon HD 7670, I believe, graphic card that has its own 1 gigabyte RAM. So it does not use 1 gigabyte out of your main memory. It has its own memory, which is always better for graphics performance. Apart from that, it's very fast. Every feature of this computer is extremely nice. Clicking on icons, clicking on programs, everything is very zippy. Everything comes in very well. This Google page. It comes, of course, with Internet Explorer 10. Has a lot of software bundled with it, and maybe too much. I basically don't really like having computers that are sold with so much software trial versions installed. I basically uninstalled a lot of stuff on this thing. And but it's a great little laptop. Feels very quality, and it's really nice. Price for this thing, a display is 15.6 inches, in case you want to know how big the screen is, and supports a resolution of, I believe, 1366 by 768. And of course you can use the HDMI out and send that signal to an HD TV, especially when you're watching those Blu-ray movies on the laptop. The output should be pretty good. I won't talk much about Windows 8 because there's going to be lots of videos that will focus only on that, so this is more like a review of this device and this computer itself. And so, like I said, very fast, very quality. I feel the quality. The only drawback I would say that might not show too much quality is the keyboard itself. Laptops tend to have very cheap keyboards in the past few years. And that's I believe is not a good idea, because if you type a lot on the laptop, it's easy to actually break one of the keys, and that's a little bad. The other features that it has, it does not have Bluetooth. It does have Wi-Fi, of course, with BGN capability. It's an Atheros card. Apart from that, it has a total of 3 USB ports, like I said. One is 2.0, the one on the right, the one on the right side of the the one on the left side, sorry, of the computer is a USB 2.0. But the two on the right side of the computer are USB 3, which is nice if you want to actually back up stuff on a hard drive. It's going to be much faster. And apart from that, it's quite thin, very lightweight. I believe it's something like 5 pounds or so, and it's much, I would say it's really less heavy than my older Toshiba. That was a Toshiba A200 that's about 5 years old. So it's really nice, very beautiful display. The LED screen is very bright, very white. The level of lighting on the screen is very uniform, very beautiful. And well, the only thing that I would miss, I would say that would be nice to have on this laptop would have been maybe a illuminated keyboard, so that when you type you can see what you're doing, especially in the evening. One drawback is if you want to write in a different language. For example, this keyboard has French accents, and I write in French, but they're in a red type color, so when it's dark, forget it, you can't really see anything. But apart from that, very beautiful laptop. Price paid here in Canada, $699. I noticed that the same store where I bought it, which is Staples, has actually hiked the price $100 more, so it's $799 now. On the internet, this same laptop goes from about $700 to $850 depending on where you buy it. So the low price I've seen is $689, I believe. So and of course, as time goes by, this laptop will actually probably be much cheaper in the coming weeks and months, because prices go down rapidly. So this was a quick look and review of the Toshiba S855-01K laptop with Core i5 processor that is clocked at 2.5 gigahertz. And oh yeah, the memory has 8 gigs of memory and has 640 gigs of hard drive. Hard drive is a 5,400 turn minute. I prefer 7200, but most laptops don't come with 7200 turns of hard drive. But it's still very fast, loads extremely fast. I'm really amazed at the speed of loading of the Windows. And well, battery that is included gives approximately 4 hours from the documentation, 4 hours of use. I would say that I've personally seen more like 3 hours and a half with heavy use. So it's pretty cool, pretty nice, and it's a very beautiful laptop and not too heavy if you want to bring it along and you travel with your laptop a lot. Pretty nice. And of course, since it accepts Blu-ray disc, this I think is a great laptop for simply watching movies in an airplane, for example, when you're in a trip. So hope you enjoyed this quick review, and look at our channel for so much information on Windows 8. This is going to be a online video manual, I would say, of Windows 8 here on this official Windows channel. So thanks for watching, and hope to see you again on our channel. Bye bye.